We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 40-gallon natural gas water heater. This is the skinny model, so it's 18 inches in diameter. They've got an inside closet here, so we wanted to make sure we could get it in there. Piping's coming through the floor. That's not ours. It's existing to the home, hot and cold. And then, of course, a gas line down there is coming through the floor. That's not ours either. And then, of course, relief line goes up through the roof. This was installed with the original water heater, but you can see they've done what they've done here. They've got that hose bib, the washer pulled out of it, so if this ever pops off, most of it is going to push up that line out through the roof. The rest of it is going to trickle out through this hose bib to let you know something's going on. So we didn't touch any of that. We did cut this vent pipe. It's a dual ball, goes all the way up through the roof, and then it's extended up above the evaporative cooler. So we cut it down because it was down here real far. So we cut it up there. Got a couple of adjustable, single wall adjustable 90s in here down to the draft diverter, which comes with the water heater. And then, of course, it comes with the relief valve as well, and then just a short piece of pipe. This is a drain valve, so we don't use brass here. Water should never be in here anyway. So Falcon stainless steel connector, full 3/4 inch inside diameter, over to the existing plumbing. So it's just tied back into the T. So that's all existing to the home. Brass shutoff valves on the hot and the cold. We like to do that sometimes when we're in older homes because while we're working, if someone turns a faucet on, you know, when we have the cold water on, we can shut this valve off. But inadvertently, water will cross over and come out the hot side. So valves on both sides, brass construction, brass nipple, Falcon stainless steel connectors down to brass extensions. And then down here, upper third is adjustable strap, lower third adjustable strap. We did replace the gas valve back there, gave you a new gas connector over to the controller. You can see right here we have it set at hot, which is approximately 120 degrees. As you can see right there, scalding risk increases with hotter water, so we recommend, you know, don't turn it up, just leave it right where it's at. And then I think that's it. Everything's strapped. We put some blocks back here for the strapping because it's cabinets there, and the screws were pretty long, so about 1.5 inches build up on both sides, you can see. And then, of course, 1.5 inches build up here, so it's nice and strapped. Give it about an hour, you'll have hot water. And as you can see right here, that is your model number, serial number right there. If you go to bradfordwhite.com, register a product, you can give them the serial number and all your contact information. They'll get your warranty going on this. Outside of that, this installation is done.